Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make sushi with a bamboo mat. First, lay your bamboo mat flat on a clean surface. Cover it with plastic wrap to prevent rice from sticking and make cleanup a breeze. Next, place one sheet of nori, the seaweed wrapper, shiny side down on the mat. Ensure it's centered and aligned with the mat's edge. This foundational step sets you up for perfectly rolled sushi every time. Now, let's get the rice and fillings ready. Take about 1 cup of prepared sushi rice and gently spread it over the nori, leaving a 1-inch strip clear at the top edge. This space is crucial for sealing your roll. Then, arrange your desired fillings, such as thinly sliced fish, avocado, or cucumber, in a horizontal line across the center of the rice. Don't overfill, or it will be hard to roll. This is where the magic happens. Using your thumbs, lift the edge of the bamboo mat closest to you, bringing the bottom edge of the nori up and over the fillings. Tuck it in tightly, pressing down to create a compact cylinder. Continue rolling forward, applying gentle, even pressure with your fingers to keep the roll firm. Aim for a consistent shape as you complete the roll. Almost there. To slice your sushi, moisten a very sharp knife with water to prevent sticking. Cut the roll in half, then cut each half into 3 or 4 equal pieces, aiming for 6 to 8 pieces total. Arrange your beautiful sushi on a plate and serve immediately with soy sauce, wasabi, and pickled ginger. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade sushi.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.